Properly storing items in your car's trunk is nice to have all year round. Unfortunately, one of the first things to disrupt that over the years is the weather stripping. The trunk weather stripping naturally dries out. It can lead to leaks, rust, and potential damage of your personal items. Hey, I'm Dennis from Original Parts Group, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 77 GM trunk weather stripping. Our weather stripping is manufactured to OEM specifications. Each weather strip is manufactured from injection molded rubber and case hardened steel tooling just like the originals. Depending on your vehicle, trimming may be necessary. Simply determine your required length and add some weather stripping adhesive for straightforward installation. With several 5-star reviews, you can count on OPGI to give you the highest quality products and customer service in the industry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.